Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and support. Lock and chock the container so it cannot shift, and wear eye protection and gloves. Once done, position a chain hoist or helper to bear the door weight. This prevents sudden drops. Begin at the bottom hinge, loosen rust with penetrating oil, tap the pin out with a punch, then move to the middle and top. Make sure to support the door after each pin removal so you maintain control and avoid twisting the frame. With the pins out and the door supported, you'll detach seals and hardware to free the door fully. Start by cutting the rubber gasket and scraping away old sealant. This reduces resistance when lifting. Then unbolt the locking rods, hinges, and any striker plates. Label bolts and parts so reassembly is straightforward. Use a pry bar on corroded hinge plates, but do it gradually to avoid deforming the door edge, and make sure your hoist takes the load as you release the last fasteners. Now you lift the door straight out. Raise it slowly with the chain hoist while a helper guides the bottom clear of the threshold. Once free, set it on sawhorses or a pallet. Inspect hinges, hinge pockets, and the frame for distortion or rust. If you encounter binding when lifting, lower immediately and check alignment, debris, or a bent hinge. Correct those before trying again. Finally, clean and protect exposed metal with primer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.